Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can reverse our video on Capcut mobile application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have created a project on my Capcut application and this is my original video. I'm going to make this video play backward. If you want to do that, first thing first, we need to click on the video like this, and then we have to scroll all the way to the right until we find the reverse button. Wait guys, okay, this one. Click on this reverse button, and as you can see now my video has been reversed, and I'm going to check the final result. This one. And the process is really fast, right? Because the video duration is so short. The longer duration you have, so the longer process needed. Alright guys, and that's how we can reverse our video using CapCut mobile application. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.